know how frustrating it is, like when you are making use of data every single day and you are doing a particular something and you find out that your data has exhausted. I mean, if you're a content creator like me that make use of data every single day, morning, day in, day out, you look for a way to get this data at a cheaper rate because it helps to save you some money and all of those stuff. Okay, what if I tell you that there is a secret code I've been using to get data at a cheaper rate, and I didn't want to reveal this code at first. I wanted to test it and know that it's really working well for me before I shared it. Okay, what if I share this secret code with you? And now you can get data at a cheaper rate. So stick to the end of this video because the last code I'm going to share to you in this video, guys, it's amazing. So do not skip any part of this video because you don't know the one that will best suit you, right? So what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video at this point, see, let me tell you. See, this one is just code. I have apps and also website that you can use to get this data at a cheaper rate. I know you don't want to miss any of my video, right? So just do well to like this video, leave your comment in the comment section, let me know if you have tried it and if it has worked for you, and also do well to click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Let me show you this code. First code I'm going to review to you is star 312 star 86 hash. Okay, so when you click on that, you can choose any of your preferred sim and you send this. Okay, so in this code you'll be charged 20 naira for 150 MB and it's a weekly plan. Okay, imagine, so if you do it like 3 times for 16 naira, now imagine how much you have for just 16 naira. You have the next code I want to show you is star 312 star 1 star 10 hash. So you click on your and choose your preferred sim. So when it loads, so this one is an hourly plan. Okay, you use it based on hours, right? So you have 2 gigabytes for hourly plan, 5 gigabytes. So if I should click on the first one for 2 gigabyte hourly plan, you will see that you are going to be charged 200 naira for 2 gigabytes for 1 hour, right? So you just go ahead and click to purchase. You can also purchase for a friend, whichever way you want it. The third code is star 312 star 100 hash. Okay, so just go ahead and click on your preferred sim. So when you do that, you see that you'll be charged 200 naira for 1 gigabyte, valid for 30 days. If you are MTN user, you agree with me that if you want to buy normal data plan for MTN for 1 gigabyte, I think is it 1.5, I think they charge up to 1,000. But with this code you can actually get 1 gigabyte for just 200 naira. Guys, I hope you have liked this video, and mind you, this lasts for a month, right? So that's that for that. So that moved me to my fourth code, which I'm going to show you in this video, which is star 312 star 87 hash. Okay, you now click to send and choose your preferred sim. So when this open, you are going to see that you'll be charged 50 naira for 450 MB. 50 naira for 450 MB. Like, guys, see, if you have not liked this video, you have not subscribed to my channel at this point, just know that you are missing out. Because why? More tips and tips, like more tips and texts are coming. So just wait to subscribe because you always get notified when I upload a new video like this. So you get 15 naira for just 450 MB. So I'll just go ahead and click back, and mind you, that one lasts for 14 days, right? So that will move me to my fifth code, which is star 312 star 88 hash. Okay, you just click to send. So when you send, you are going to see that you will be charged 200 MB for 1.5 gigabyte monthly. 200 MB for 1.5 gigabyte monthly. Guys, I mean, what, this is so amazing, like so that is that. So another one I want to show you is how you can use star 312 star 10 hash. Just go ahead and click to send star 312 star 10 hash, and in this one you'll be charged 20 naira for 7 days, and you'll be given 75 MB. So remember, I promised to give you a bonus at the end of this video, okay? And that bonus is, before I leak that bonus, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have you subscribed? Okay, thank you very much for subscribing and being part of my community. I really appreciate. So that last code is, or maybe you are a kind of person that love watching Netflix, you love doing stuff at night and need data. Okay, you can actually save your normal data at daytime, and you can actually get a night plan so that it will save you more data, right? So how do you get this night plan? So you click on star 406 star 3 hash, and you click to send, and just click on the first one and wait for it to load. And you can see that you can make use of this data from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning, okay? And they are going to give you 500 MB for as low as 15 naira. So if you have 100 naira, that means you can purchase 1 gigabyte. So guys, that is the end of this very tutorial, guys. I have another trick, like more tricks are coming, so do well to subscribe so that you get updated each time I upload a new video. Bye, and I'm going to see you in my next video.